phrase.
Do you want to play a game with me? First, we have to divide these cards equally. How do you make equal groups? We have 8 cards. There are 2 players. How many cards do we each get? Divide the cards into 2 equal groups. We each get 4 cards. You can also write a division sentence to solve. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. You can also write it another way. Becca, do you want to play? We have 8 cards, but now we have 3 players. How many cards do we each get? What is 8 divided by 3? Divide the cards into equal groups to figure it out. Uh-oh, we can't divide them equally. How can you divide amounts that do not make equal groups? We each get 2 cards, but there are 2 left over. You can't divide 8 by 3 equally. The remainder is the number left over after dividing 2 numbers. First, you write the number that does divide equally. We each got 2 cards. Then you write the remainder. There are 2 cards left over. The R stands for remainder. Colin is having a birthday party. There are 7 party favors and 4 people. How many favors does each person get? How many are left over? To find out, divide 7 by 4. Each person can take 1 favor. There are 3 left over. You can also write it this way. Mia has 16 photos. Each page of her photo album can hold 5 photos. How many pages will she fill? How many photos will be left over? What is 16 divided by 5? Make equal groups of 5. There are 3 equal groups and 1 left over. 16 divided by 5 is equal to 3 remainder 1. So Mia can fill 3 pages of her album and she'll have 1 photo left. We have 12 muffins for 5 people. How many muffins do we get each? How many are left over? Write a division sentence to solve. We can make 5 equal groups of 2. There are 2 muffins left over. 12 divided by 5 is equal to 2 remainder 2. The 12 stands for the total number. The 5 stands for the number of groups. The 2 tells you how many are in each group. The remainder tells you how many are left over. After you divide, be sure to check your work. Multiply the number in each group by the number of groups. Then add the remainder. The answer should be the total number. There are 27 robots. Each shelf holds 6 robots. How many shelves can be filled? What is 27 divided by 6? Let's see. You can make 4 equal groups with 6 in each group. Then there are 3 left over. So 27 divided by 6 is equal to 4 remainder 3. Be sure to check your work. Multiply 4 times 6, which is equal to 24. Then add the remainder. 24 plus 3 is equal to 27. I have 5 bags of nuts. How many bags do we each get? We each get 2 bags, and there's 1 bag left over. We can't divide the bags equally. I guess we can divide them equally now.